Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the world around us, and the military is no exception. The Pentagon is now planning to develop a vast fleet of AI-powered weapons systems to counter China's growing military capabilities. What is the Pentagon's plan? The Pentagon plans to spend billions of dollars on AI research and development in the coming years. The goal is to develop a wide range of AI-powered weapons systems, including autonomous drones, unmanned submarines, and even AI-controlled warships. Why is the Pentagon doing this? The Pentagon is concerned about China's rapid military modernization program. China is investing heavily in AI, and the Pentagon believes that it needs to develop AI-powered weapons systems in order to keep pace. What are the potential benefits of the Pentagon's plan? AI-powered weapons systems could give the US a significant military advantage over China. AI could help to automate some of the tasks currently performed by humans, freeing up soldiers to focus on other tasks. AI could also help to improve the accuracy and lethality of US weapon systems. What are the potential risks of the Pentagon's plan? AI-powered weapon systems could be used to carry out autonomous attacks without human intervention. AI could also be used to develop new types of weapons that are more destructive and dangerous. AI could also be hacked or manipulated by adversaries, giving them control over US weapons systems.